Welcome to 346 Firebridge Road. This charming 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a 1-car garage, screened back porch, updated laminate vinyl plank hardwood flooring inside, as well as granite countertops. It's located in the Firebridge neighborhood in Chapin, convenient to Lake Murray and I-26. So we're out front. You can see there's a nice sized driveway. You can fit 2 cars, path leading around to the left side, and then the 1-car garage there as well. You have some mature trees in the front yard and a nice covered front porch out front as well with ceiling fans. A few steps up and we'll go ahead and take a look inside. So as we enter the foyer, you can see the laminate vinyl plank hardwood look flooring starts in the foyer, continues throughout the main living area. You have some wall sconces as you enter and throughout inside as well. There's a coat closet to your left, and then you can see the main living space. You have a nice sized family room here with vaulted ceilings and a ceiling fan. Some nice windows looking out towards the backyard. There's a sort of recessed shelf built into the wall as well. And the living room is open to the dining area and also the kitchen. Those high vaulted ceilings continue throughout this area as well. So on the left side here you have a laundry room with some extra storage as well. So you have full-size washer dryer connections there. Window looking out towards the front porch, and then you have a cabinet also included that has good storage space. Also, you have a high sort of counter bar that you possibly could use with some seating there. Nice sized kitchen, nice and open. You have granite countertops and a stainless steel smooth top electric range and dishwasher. There's a nice bay window here in the back. A side-by-side refrigerator, and then it's like a countertop microwave here also. A ceiling fan in the kitchen as well. And then on our right, before we forget, is access to the 1-car garage. You have tons of built-in shelving along one side, and then there's some workshop space and more shelving, even some sort of above the entry there as well. You have a vehicle parked inside right now. It's a small and medium-sized SUV to give you an idea of the space. There are steps down into that garage, just keep that in mind also. And then you have a nice door here, sort of with a second faux door to give you glass on both sides so you can look out over the screened in back porch, which is nicely tiled with ceramic tile as well. And you do have ceiling fans out here also. Nice sized backyard. And there's also a storage shed and workshop. It looks like it's wired. No lights are on in there at this time, but there may be power in there as well. And then you do have a deck off the back, a wood deck in addition to the screen porch, so nice outdoor space. And then going back in, down the hall here to our right, you have your bedrooms and baths. First on the right is one of the secondary bedrooms. It's off of the front porch, has a nice window looking out to that. And then you do have the closet on this side. And then in the hallway you also do have this another sort of recessed cabinet. You have doors on both sides of that. Actually takes up a little bit of space in the closet in the room we just looked at, but it's a nice little additional storage area. Another bedroom here on the front of the home as well. Also has a ceiling fan, and the closet is there. And then full bathroom that those 2 bedrooms share. Into that flooring continues into there also. You have a single vanity, some storage there, and then a shower and tub in this bathroom. And last but not least is your master suite, which has a ceiling fan also, large windows looking out toward the sort of corner of the backyard. And then you can see the bathroom over there also. But you have a single vanity, sort of updated in here, a walk-in shower, more storage on the wall there, and then on the opposite side you have a walk-in closet. And you have an attic pull down in here as well. So that does complete our tour of this home, 346 Firebridge Road in Chapin. Charming home, where you can find information on our website at turnerproperties.com.